We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet 1536 DNF MFP printer. So first thing first, you want to make sure this adjustment is set to the correct size of the paper. If it's not, the rollers won't be able to pick up the paper because it's too loose, so it's not detecting it. Also, when you have paper already in there and you need to add new paper, you never just want to throw the paper in there on top of the old paper. Go ahead and take the old paper out and combine it with the new paper. Then fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air can make the pages stick together. Once you fan it out, go ahead and align the paper. Then you can stick it in your tray. So I would do the same thing for the envelopes. Just make sure that this is to the correct size. Your envelopes aren't sticking. Make sure you fan them out and stuff and that they're aligned before you put them in. If you guys are in any need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.